If you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll keep the content coming. Daily videos of new inventory coming in. Right now you're looking at a 2012 Fisker Karma. It's a hybrid vehicle. Pretty rare car. It's got easy front end collision damage. That's all the damage right here. The bumper is offline. Doors back, it's pretty clean. Car starts and drives. Nice panoramic roof. The hood does close, it's just open. It's going to show you the engine compartment. We're selling this with a salvage title. As you can see, engine compartment's clean. No damage, nothing broken. No structural damage. Really, really nice car. Windshield is intact. Take a look inside. Nice two-tone interior. This car was way ahead of its time in 2012. All the airbags are good. Interior is nice and clean. Again, that's the only damage right there. Nothing structural. Pretty easy fix. I'll be on the website soon. Thanks for watching.